Approximately 10 to 20 million tons of plastic end up in the oceans each year. A recent study conservatively estimated that 5.25 trillion plastic particles, weighing a total of 268,940 tons, are currently floating in the world's oceans. In 2010, 192 countries altogether generated 275 million metric tons of plastic waste. By 2025, the annual cumulative output of plastic into the world's oceans will be around 155 million metric tons. More than 80% of the annual input of plastic litter, such as drink bottles and plastic packaging, comes from land-based sources. The remainder comes from plastic released at sea, such as lost and discarded fishing gear. It is reported that the cost to clean up 1 ton of oceanic litter is 10 times larger than that of land litter. Fish in the North Pacific ingest 12 to 24,000 tons of plastic each year, which can cause intestinal injury or even death. It also transfers plastic up the food chain to bigger fish and marine animals.
Scientists have discovered 3 major plastic patches in the Pacific Ocean. The eastern garbage patch is located between Hawaii and California, a western garbage patch off the coast of Japan, and a patch located between them called the Subtropical Convergence Zone north of Hawaii. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch covers an estimated surface of 1.6 million square kilometers. 80,000 tons of plastic float in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, equivalent to 500 jumbo jets. 46% of the total mass is made of fishing nets. 92% of the total mass is made of debris larger than 5 millimeters. These patches of floating plastic are not visible by boat or plane. Instead, it is more like a concentrated plastic layer that is killing wildlife and polluting beaches. The southern tip of the Big Island of Hawaii has a deep ocean current that rubs against the rocky shoreline, catching the plastic. It is estimated that 15 to 20 tons of trash washes ashore each year. Camilo Beach is located on Hawaii's Big Island. Because it's constantly exposed to the trade winds blowing directly on shore, it winds up being a gathering place for marine debris from all over the Pacific. This plastic goes down a foot deep. At one time, these were toothbrushes, pens, cigarette lighters, plastic bottles, plastic caps, but now they're plastic fragments and pre-production plastic pellets, together forming a new kind of sand, plastic sand here on the beaches of Hawaii.
What you can do to help. Reduce use of all plastic products. Don't litter. Recycle when you can and do it right. Choose non-synthetic fabrics when possible. Say no to microbeads. Participate in cleanup efforts. Support plastic bag legislation. Support companies that are thinking of outside-the-box solutions to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastics.